Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google AI Studio to n8n. Just follow these steps so you can use the Gemini API inside n8n for your automations. First, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, click on Get API Key. From there, you can either copy an existing API key or create a new one. To create a new key, click Create API Key, enter a name, select a cloud project, then click Create. After it's created, click on the key and copy the API key. Next, open n8n and log in with your account. Once you're on the home page, click on Create Workflow. Then click Add First Step and search for Gemini. Select Google Gemini from the results. Scroll down and click Upload a File. Next, click Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Now paste your Google AI Studio API key, then click Save. You'll see a message confirming that the credential was successfully created in your personal space. Lastly, click Execute. Step to test and run the connection. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll have Google AI Studio successfully connected to n8n anytime.